Assalamu alaikum dear viewers. Now I'll show you how to throw water from auto washing machine. This is the drain motor. This is the drum. From drum, by this oil, this pipe, the water is throwing. What is draining? Okay. So there is a screw. See, we have to just pull. Yeah, like this. We have to pull. Yeah, if we pull from here or from here, however, we have to pull it. Yeah, we have to pull it. Yeah, like this again. We have to pull like this and hold it, then water will drain. Yeah, like from here also can. Yeah, then water will drain. Let's see practical. Yeah, so see, there is water. Yeah, there is water, so I'll throw this water. Just now I'll show you. Open the back cover. If you have back cover screw, just remove the screw, then open the back cover and go there and just pull. Just now I show you by one hand. You just pull. You have to pull it. It's very strong. It's very tight, so you have to pull it very strongly. Yeah, okay. It's not loose. It's very tight. Okay, water is draining. So by this way you can throw your water from washing machine. Yeah, thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, subscribe and like the button. Thank you.